Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and it is Birchbox. I think they finished with their drawers. We haven't had a drawer for a long while, but we have a lift off box here. Never mind, it's very cute. Love the design this month. So if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more about it, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a bit of a lowdown. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you just want to skip forward in seeing what I received, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments. You're free to flick forward. This is Birchbox UK. There are other Birchboxes around the world, but what you're seeing in this video is solely for the UK. It's a monthly beauty subscription and the prices have changed. My mind has gone blank, so excuse me a minute. Why I just search it up? Not very professional of me. My mind just went completely blank. A monthly subscription where you can cancel any month is £13.95 and that includes shipping. And then they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at reduced cost. For instance, if you were to subscribe for 12 months, then that will bring the cost of the box down to £12, 12p. They have got an offer on for June to receive a free beauty bundle with £27 if you were to subscribe for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, and the code is June Bundle. You can see there. I'll pop the code and a link down in the description. If I can find a better deal for you, then I'll pop it down below as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll find all links to the subscription and codes, discounts, anything like that down below. So yeah, so Birchbox then is a monthly beauty box and it contains 5 beauty treats. They also have an online store. If you were to subscribe for 6 months or more, you become a VIP and you'll be entitled to 15% off anything off their website, including any limited edition beauty boxes that they bring out. If there's anything else that you want to know, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the June box. So we got a card and the theme this month is all bodies are good bodies. We've got one full-size product and they say hello Birchboxes, infinite bodies, all in different shapes, sizes and colours, and all with one thing in common: each one is unique. That's why this month we encourage you to start working on accepting yourself, loving your body and forgetting about all those external judgments. Take care of your body every day because you only have one and it is as unique as you are. Give you a little sneak peek there. So first up then, let's go for this, which I love. Love, love, love this brand. This is Ultra Sun SPF 30 high protection for the face, moisturising anti-aging sun protection, and it's suitable for sensitive skins, and there's 7 mils there, so this is a little sample. So handy if you're going away for the night, but won't last more than a day or two. Buy the full size, it'll cost you £22. This fast absorbing facial SPF is the all-in-all skincare companion. Not only does it provide sun protection, but it also battles signs of aging and hydrates skin too. Plus its matte finish allows you to perfectly layer makeup on top. So we've got an SPF by Ultra Sun. Next, we've got a product by Nooks. This is Nooks Body Revitalizing Granular Scrub. Exfoliates, smooths and invigorates with green tea extract for all skin types. And there's 30 mils here. This is a really nice brand. They have some really lovely body products. Smell gorgeous. And I don't think I've ever tried this before. I don't think so. I'm only going to put a bit on there. You might not be able to see. Oh, it's just like, yeah. It's just like I'm rubbing sugar into my hand. Oh, it has such a nice smell. Oh, it is lovely. Yeah, it is nice. That might be really good actually for my elbows and knees before I do a fake tan. So the full size would cost you £18.50. This is like a little mini, like a little travel mini. You don't need a holiday to get radiant skin. This exfoliating body scrub will do the job just in time for summer. Infused with green tea and bamboo, this scrub removes impurities to leave your skin soft and glowing with long-lasting hydration. Especially good for dry skin in summer months. So there's that. Next, we've got a brightening shampoo by Morning Street. It contains an argan and marula oil for all hair types, strengthening and shine, and there's 50 mils here. So a brightening shampoo. A brightening. Is this for blonde hair? Maybe not. Can I brighten my ginger hair? This again is a little mini, and the full size will cost £16.90. This shampoo is a real hair changer. This freshly scented treatment strengthens, hydrates and protects strands whilst giving you more shine than ever before. Thanks to its nourishing formula of argan and marula oil, your mane will never be the same. Let's have a sniff then. Oh, it is nice. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, lovely. So I've got a little shampoo there. Next, got a product by Neobay, natural and organic. This is hyaluronic and hemp recharge splash. Oh, it's a facial mist. I love them. And there is 60 mils there. The writing is quite hard to read. Yeah. How hard is this spray? Oh, it's fine. Ooh, I don't want it going on the camera. Oh, it feels nice. No scent. Hyaluronic and hemp. Why did I think it had eucalyptus on it? No scent. Feels nice. But what are the benefits? This is a mini, travel mini, deluxe size. The full size retails for £13. This hydrating and refreshing mist is the perfect solution for summer dryness. Full of hyaluronic acid, cannabis extract and vegetable glycerin, this spray helps skin to maintain its natural water levels for long-lasting hydration. Used in the morning, on the go or as a makeup fixer. And this product contains 99.76% natural ingredients. Got a face mist there. And then our last item in the box is our full size product. This is by Model Go Beauty. Long lasting lipstick, long wear, ultra creamy formula, hydrating finish in shade Petal. So let's have a look at this then. Yeah, it's a nice shade. Yeah, it is pretty actually. I have so many lipsticks in this sort of rosy tone. It is a really pretty shade, but it would have been nice to have, oh, I don't know, like a slightly pinky nude or a more coral look coming into the summer. I know not everyone likes having bright red lips. We always seem to get this sort of rose lipstick. I suppose it's a middle of the range colour, isn't it? But yeah. For me personally, it would have been nice to have a different one. But let's see if we all receive the same shade. So this is full size and it retails for £12. If we were to describe our perfect lipstick, we'd say long wearing, intense colour and a weightless hydrated finish, while this ultra creamy lipstick ticks all the boxes and is the perfect pinky nude lipstick for a luxurious, your lips but better look. It looks like we'll all receive the shade. So those are all the products inside this month's Birchbox. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an Ultra Sun SPF 30 facial cream. We've got a Nuxe Body Granular Scrub. We've got a Neobay Hydrating Facial Mist. We've got a Morning Street Brightening Shampoo. And lastly, we've got Model Co Beauty in shade lipstick in shade Petal. So looking at the products, yeah, not too bad this month. The sizes aren't too bad either. There's nothing teeny tiny about them. Well, besides the Ultra Sun. I wish the samples came in larger sizes. Say 20 mils. That would be great. That'd be really great. I do love this cream, so I will be using it. The spray seems really nice. I'm obsessed with sprays, but does it excite me more than any of my other sprays that I've got? Hyaluronic spray sounds great. It might be a nice spray to take on holiday with me, actually. I want to take a facial spray with me, but I don't know. I'm going to have to look into it and see. Yeah. Handy Nuxe product there. Going to be doing my elbows and my knees before I fake tan. This shampoo smells absolutely gorgeous. And the lipstick, I'll probably pass that on. Nothing against the lipstick, it's really pretty, but as I mentioned, I've just got a lot of lipsticks in this sort of shade. Birchbox bring out the edit for the month on the 1st of the month. If you were to go onto their website, you'll be able to see all the products that you could get. It's not a huge selection, but you might be watching this thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to subscribe because I want what Claire's got. Well, there's a chance that you might not. You might receive a couple, say 2 or 3 of the products, but then 2 or 3 could be different. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Is it any different to mine? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below and take care, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.